Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Creating Process. Today we are back with another graphic design tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to create out some amazing t-shirt design in Kittl. Kittl is an amazing online design tool where you can create some amazing graphic design concepts. Like in the previous video, we have created these 3 amazing cover designs using Kittl AI, where I have generated images by inputting a prompt which I need, and it will generate your desired image. It can be clip art, it can be vector style, it can be pattern. In today's video, I want to show you how you can create out a t-shirt design using the templates available inside Kittl. So you can see there are a bundle of templates for t-shirts, for labels, for logos, and all these are easily customizable and you can use it for inspiration. So these are the t-shirt designs. These t-shirt design templates are available as a project file. You can just click it and project file will be available. You can just tweak it and download it in JPG or PNG format. Let's say you like this t-shirt design, just click on it and it will open the project file. So this is the design. Let's say you want to change it. So here's the text. I'll just double click on it, Control Alt, Command Alt, and let's say cool stuff, and I come out and here we go, cool stuff. So these elements are editable, and let's say you want to change this icon, you don't like this, so just delete it out and you can go to element and you can choose a different skull. So you say you want different skull, type skull, and let's see, here are some skulls design. So this is one, there's one head, HEAD head. Okay, so these are all the vector elements. So I'll choose this one. I like this, so I'll just bring it up. So just scale up the size, place it around here and change color to something familiar, something like that. Zoom it out and here we go. This one I'll just change the white color to, let's say, this one. So just matching it with them. So here we go, and I'll just drag this down a little bit more and it feels like it's on the hat. Yes, and I'll just select these both and scale it up a little bit and place it around here, and here we go. Here we can change the color of the text as well. So if you want to change it to something like this, you can do that. And if you want to change the outline as well, you can just change the outline color or choose any color from here. I think green looks great. Here it is. This is the example how we can use it. Now let's create this one. So here's our design. This is the customized design which I have created. So I'm going to select search this design, Control C, Command C, and let's search for this template, Command Control V, enter, and here it is. I'll just click on it and it will open the project file. Here it is. So all these elements are easily customizable. This one I'll just type wild right. Okay, so here we go, and we'll change this vector. So I'm going to select this, so I'll just delete it out and let's bring in some vectors from here. So as you can see over here, this vector, these are 2 vectors I have placed it. So I'm going to search inside element and let's type a scene with a road. Okay, so here we go. Here it is. We got this image, we got this, we got this. So here's the exact image which I have used. So if I click on it, we got that image. I'll just scale up the size and place it around here. Now you want to customize the color. Here, the color palette. Each of these colors can be easily customizable. For example, selecting this, you got this image. Let's say you want to change this white color to something else. So I'll just select that. And these are the color palettes from our main design. So you can just choose around from the color palettes, maybe a little bit of yellowish highlight. And we'll change the ground color to sandy white. Now we'll change the sun color to, let's say, yellowish, and let's find it out. Now let's arrange this to back, center back. And now let's bring in our car. So here we go. I want this Jeep. Click on it and it will be there. Now just scale this up, place it there. Okay, and here we go, and we'll change the color. So this one I'll change it to white. I'll make it a little bit brighter. Very simple, very easy. Now let's create this other design. This one, design it from scratch just to see what we can create. So I'll go here and this is a new project file. Let's change the dimension to 960 by 200 and confirm. Now let's create that. So I'll change the background to black. Now select some elements, go under element and search for vectors. So we want head, so I'll just type out head and just try to find out. So we got some ape's head here. So let's choose an interesting head here. I think this is better. So I'll just click on it and here we go. This is a little bit of the real, so I want some. So we got an ape here. I'll just click on it and here we go. So I like this one. I'll just place it and increase the size, and here we go. So we got a head. Now let's bring in some flowers. So as you can see in this design, we got this ape and we got some flowers surrounding and a text and this one. So just look for a text similar to that. So go here and type out a text, savage life, and go outside, and I'll change the black color to white just to see the text and place it around here and increase the size. I want to choose some style from here, so I'm going to choose this one, arc, adjust the arc. Let's see this one, or maybe this. Okay, so we got some effects over here, transformation effects. You can choose the effects from here. So what I need for this design is something like straight on top and on bottom it's curve, so it's customized. So I'm gonna choose the distort one, and I'll select this and drag it down and drag it down, this part, and drag it down. Now selecting that, we'll change the fonts. So we'll choose a font similar to our design. So as you can see, we got a list of fonts over here, typefaces. Okay, so I think this looks great. And we'll change the font color, so that's a magenta, and keep it that way. And let's reduce the spacing, place the image on the front just like that. Now let's bring in our flowers. So we're gonna use the element. So go to element and find some flowers, flowers flowers. And here we go, we got some interesting, amazing flowers. So let's drag and place it around here. So we're gonna fill up the entire surrounding with flower. Bring another one, place it around here, scale up the size. You can just rotate the angles as well and increase the size and place it around here. So overall, I feel this much flower is fine. We'll just do the final placement. Okay. Now let's type out on the text, nature, and change the font color to white. And we'll scale up the size and place it around here. And we'll choose some interesting font. So we're going to choose some typefaces from here. So we got this text. And I'll just scale up the size now. So I'm going to use the transform option here. Let's choose this one, or maybe this. Yes, a little bit of like that. And let's adjust the curve like this. And let's add a backdrop. Select this and add a drop shadow. Maybe this one, simple drop shadow. Let's pick the magenta color, and we'll reduce the thickness. So let's choose a nice font. So I'm going to choose, try to find that font from here. Okay, so we got this font. This is the Milk Store font. So here it is. Let's reduce the size and place it around here. And we have used the transform option, rise one, and we'll adjust it a little bit this much. And over here, we'll change the colors. So we'll change the background color to black. And so I'll go to effects and increase the angle and the offset value. So we got that nice offset. And lastly, let's add some t-shirt design text. So we'll type our text. So I'm going to text here. To add a text, you can click on add title, and to add a paragraph, you can click on add paragraph. And if you want some customizable text, you can find it over here. You can just click on show all and choose this one. Just click on it, change the font color to white. So selecting this, to ungroup it, right click and click on ungroup. And these two layers are separated. You can see it in the layers as well. So yellowish tone, and let's make it a little bit darker. And this is the texture where you can apply texture. Let's say you want to apply texture on top. So select our front layer, right? And choose a texture from here. So I'm going to see some nice texture. If you want to extend this, you can click on here and you can extend the textures. And let's say you want some patches like this. Click on it and just make it smaller. So here we go. The texture is applied. It's easily there. So we have applied the texture. Here's the texture layer, and you can see if I remove the opacity, you can see the image and with the texture. Yeah, let's change the blend mode to normal just to see it. So here's the texture. We change to multiply, or you can change it to, for this we're going to use color burn, and we can just adjust the opacity. And here we go. This is the texture, right? And this is the background. So you can even add backgrounds, interesting background. Let's say you want to add a background. I select this one, wallpaper, and here we go. We got this background in the back. I want to remove it. Under layer, you can see the background is on the back and the texture is on the top. Select the background and let's delete the background. Okay, so we got the black color. And lastly, we got this Kittle AI, which we have learned it in our previous tutorial. And here we have designed a t-shirt design inside Kittle. We have used all these attributes. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out the next tutorial coming up. And if you want more updates on designing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.